Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find houses on the Airbnb app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Airbnb app. And here it opens up in the Explore page. From here, depending on what we are looking for, we can set up some filters to find the houses that fit our needs. So, for example, here at the top we have this little sliding bar where we can select what kind of things we want to do. Whether we want to play, we want a countryside place, we want to have some pools, Arctic place, windmills, some design gems, tree houses, lakefronts, all of the sort, farms, campers, amazing views, etc. And here we can just select one, and then we can tap on the filter button in the top right corner, and then refine our search even more. We can select the type of place that we want to, we can select the price range, the number of rooms and beds and bathrooms, the property type, what kind of amenities we want, booking options, and everything else. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.